internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have February's Zenpop box. I'm so excited. Every time I get these, I really just want to open them straight away, but then I'm like, oh no, Celina, you have to like wait until the weekend so you can actually film. So, Neon Pastel. I don't know if it's a trend recently, but I've been really getting into, I think it's called Vaporwave. You will have noticed I kind of have elements of it on my vlog channel now, and I'm kind of not rebranding intentionally, but kind of going down that path just because I've been really into these sort of neon pastel colors, and I feel like the vaporwave of music is very in vein of this. So I will stop rambling and go on to the unboxing. But what I'm saying is that this is totally my vibe right now. So we've got some pens, which I will set aside to test at the end of this video. Wow, we've got quite a few pens. Okay, is that it? Yep, all right, cool. So set those aside and let's get right into it. This I use all the time. Let me show you the one I currently have. I can't remember if I got this in a previous box or I actually bought it, but basically it's a little washi tape dispenser cutter. You just clip it onto your washi tape, and then as you dispense washi tape, oops, let me just show you. I can just demo it in this one so I don't have to like show you on the other one. But yeah, you just pull up the washi tape and just rip it off, and yeah, the edges are slightly jagged, but I actually quite like that. So I find this is so useful, so incredibly useful, and I just keep it on my desk, to be honest, because I've been using that particular washi tape just more as actual tape as opposed to decorative washi tape. So this just seems like a larger version. You can kind of see the difference here. So I think this would be for like wider washi tapes, which would be very cool. And then I just realized here is an example of a wider washi tape. That's probably why they came together. I'm just gonna take the plastic off. I never know if you guys want me to cut out the parts where I'm like actually taking plastic off or anything, so just let me know what you think. Oh, cool. And I can like edit accordingly. Although I'm very slow at keeping up with comments, so I really apologize for that as well. Can you see how it's literally waves? Wow, that is so cool. I think it was Zenpop or maybe Inku, I can't remember. I'm pretty sure it was Zenpop, where a couple months ago we got one that was similar to this, but it was almost like a drip feel instead. So I am loving this new, I don't know, breed of washi tape. Very nice. And then I think these are, okay, it's kind of lifted for some reason. What is this? Is this supposed to be in here? No. I'm gonna just leave that there for a second. This just kind of peeled back, so it's gotten a bit sticky, but these are flakes, sticker flakes. And they're so adorable. They are like little candies, kitten or puppies. Are these puppies? I think they're actually dogs. This is so adorable. Let me open this up so I can actually take a look at what the stickers look like. Oh wow. Okay. They're very tiny. They're like super small. So there's like one big sticker sheet at the back, although yeah, it's a sticker sheet. And then you've got these little tiny ones. And they're all just regular cardboard paper, so it's not like any sort of glitter or anything like that. Nothing unique in that sense, but the designs are really nice. I really love that. Now try not to make a mess when I put them down here. I'm not sure. I think this is like a standalone sticker. Should probably check the little instruction books. But yeah, seems like a standalone sticker with a cat and a moon in front of some toddy gate. Yeah. And then we have, oh, this is cool. Travel tag. How unique is this packaging? It's like an actual tag, but a bunch of different post-it notes, which is the city grid. Umeda. And then we have some more loose stickers. This is nice. I feel like Violet would really love this vibe because she's the one who really got me into Viper Chill. I'm like totally not remembering how to pronounce anything now. This is nice. This is something I feel like I would stick up on an inspiration board. I feel like I say it a lot, but I really can't iterate that I'm excited to be setting up like some new workspaces once the renos are done, because I really want to start doing more like vision boarding and stuff like that. I have kind of like a vision board, 2 vision boards, but they're actually just more like boards I store photos on. And then we have a notepad. Oh, this makes me miss Japan so much. So this is going to be very interesting how this works as a notepad. Oh, okay. The other side is all gridded and plain. So I'm just thinking, even if I write on this, you're not really going to be able to see my writing very clearly. So that's one design. And then this is the other design. Very similar, but just a darker version. But yeah, I think the writing occurs on the other side. So that is, all right, it just says here, map wrote. Okay. So you can use it for wrapping, origami, or writing a letter. So that's everything in the box. Let's go test out those pens. So this is from a brand that we all know and love, the Sakura Micron Pigma. So I think, I'm just trying to figure out what's unique about this pen. Waterproof, fade proof, fine lines. How is this different from the other ones that I already have? So you guys know that this is the one that I usually use for all my bullet journaling. And I think it's actually really similar. I don't think it's oh, it's a really fine tip. Let's try this out. Okay. It's super fine tip. It's purple. That's probably the main difference, that it's colored, whereas this one is black. And then I have like the permanent marker version here, which is also black. But I don't think this is a permanent marker. So if I flip through, it shouldn't bleed through too much. Yeah, so it's definitely not a permanent marker. It's just an ultra fine. I think it's like 0.1 millimeter or something. Crazy. Love that. Okay, and so this next one, neon pastel liner. I don't think this is jewel tip. What is this? Oh wow, it's like a crayon. All right. Whoa, okay, it's a highlighter, but it's like a crayon highlighter. And then you can just like twist it up or down here, but it looks orange. Like when I saw this, I'm like, that's orange, even though it's pink here, but it's, I mean, it's coming off pink with a bit of orange in it maybe. And it's kind of, it's not tacky, but it's that waxy feel you get from crayons. That's what I'm trying to say. Oh, wow. That is so cool. I don't have anything like this, and now I just want to sit here and like color in with it. That is so cool. All right, let's put that aside and let's try this one. So this is another pink neon pencil. What is this gonna be like? Oh, it's literally like a neon pink pencil. I thought this might be like a highlighter. I think you can use it as a highlighter, to be honest, and then you just sharpen it when you need to get it sharp. Okay. Cool. These are really interesting pens, stationery items this month. This one is like blowing my mind. I have not seen this one before. So yeah, that is everything in February's Zenpop. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.